They're more than just pals. World opinion is showing. It's a movement that's growing. Winds of change have been blowing. We're making progress. The bells are ringing for guys and their pals. Not gonna pretend they really like gals. World opinion is showing. Acceptance is growing. Let's really get going and bias transcend. The bells are ringing.
Everybody sing.
For all of us now.